What's going on, guys? I'm back. Was traveling on business for the last couple weeks, but I was reading a bit while I was traveling, and one thing that I found in the news specifically was about CRED. And there were a few things that actually bugged me about some of the articles that I was reading. Mainly, they were trying to place CRED, which is a crypto lending interest platform, but they were trying to place the platform of CRED into the DeFi camp. And just a reminder, one of the things that actually makes something part of the decentralized finance movement is these 5 points. It has to be permissionless, has to be censorship resistant, has to be trustless, transparent, and programmable. And as you'll see, CRED, even though it has a lot of good things going for it, it really is not something that is truly, it's not truly trustless, and it's not censorship resistant, and it isn't decentralized because there are custodians involved. And with a decentralized finance system or platform, it's truly decentralized, and you're not handing your assets over to an entity to hold them for you. So this was the first article that I saw. CRED, the DeFi app that is disrupting lending. CRED, a decentralized lending ecosystem that facilitates access to credit using cryptos as collateral, is set to disrupt the traditional lending market. And we've heard all this before. BlockFi, few other companies that are attempting to pay people interest on their crypto through centralized means. But I'm just going to read this article here. And then I also have something about Binance, and then we'll actually get into CRED itself. There's a video that I want to show you guys. CRED, formerly known as Libra Credit, is a decentralized lending ecosystem that facilitates access to credit using your cryptocurrency as collateral. With the rise of DeFi applications powered by the Ethereum blockchain, CRED is making waves disrupting the traditional lending market. CRED is a solution for investors who want fiat liquidity on the digital assets they want to hold for the long term. CRED provides a crypto line of credit secured by your digital assets, offering competitive interest rates and yields as high as 10%. The native token for the ecosystem, CRED's Lend Borrow Asset LBA token, provides users access to preferential terms and higher interest rates if they hold the LBA token. Active in 121 countries and available in 28 states, CRED has secured over $300 million in lending capital to date. CRED's growth can be attributed to their strong compliance focus, engaging with regulators and ensuring they meet all licensing requirements as a financial institution. CRED is now able to offer attractive interest rates on digital assets such as BTC, Ethereum, XRP, as well as fiat currencies such as the US dollar and the euro. Founded by PayPal executives, CRED has been able to secure strong partnerships, including Uphold, Bitcoin.com, Tron, TrueUSD, and Coinbit, with custodial partners BitGo, Zappo, and Bittrex. So you can see with the PayPal executives involved, there probably is strong compliance because they know what they're doing. But it also, in my opinion, seems very centralized and not really in the DeFi spirit. And another company to add to this list will be Binance in the next article. So as you can see, this looks like a standard crypto lending, centralized lending platform for earning interest. I haven't seen something as high as 10% before. That's pretty amazing. And as you'll see with the video that's coming up, I think they hold it for 6 months. You get paid at the 3-month mark and at the 6-month mark. And then you have an opportunity to actually extend it for 3-month periods after that. Here we go with the next article. 29th of May, 2019, San Francisco. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume and developer of proprietary blockchain Binance Chain. This is a centralized blockchain, by the way. And CRED, the leading platform for crypto lending and borrowing, today announced an agreement to work together to spur the decentralization of finance. There's that word again. As part of the agreement, CRED will migrate a portion of its ERC20 LBA tokens to the Binance chain and will become the official lending and borrowing platform for the DeFi ecosystem. As both investor and partner in CRED, Binance will also look for opportunities to leverage and support CRED's industry-leading services within the Binance ecosystem. We share CRED's global mission to offer financial services that are inclusive, transparent, and equitable for everyone, says CZ, CEO of Binance. With 1 second block time, Binance Chain will help CRED scale efforts to more users and markets, furthering crypto adoption around the world. CRED is a licensed lender based in California and has secured over $300 million in lending capital. CRED enables crypto wallet providers, custodians, exchanges, and crypto application providers the ability to offer some of the most competitive lending and borrowing rates in the industry. This year, CRED has announced partnerships with several influential organizations and custodians in the crypto community. CRED LBA holders will be able to commit their crypto to a fixed term and have the option to roll over assets for additional periods. Customers receive the best rates when staking CRED's LBA token. No account minimum is needed and interest is paid out in a stablecoin. The principal is paid back in the crypto amounts that were initially received. Binance has been a strong partner and investor from CRED's inception, and we are very happy to support Binance Chain and continue to collaborate with Binance to bring decentralized finance to everyone in a sustainable way, says Dan Schatt, co-founder of CRED. We look forward to continuing furthering the CRED-Binance partnership. Just gets into some of the background on CRED there. So what we're starting to see is since DeFi has been such a hot term in the blockchain space, in the crypto space, we're starting to see companies latch on to the term to kind of for marketing. Again, as you'll see from this video, which I'm going to play here, they're not necessarily doing anything, in my opinion, that is really truly a DeFi platform. But I'll just go ahead and play the video. You guys can see what I mean.
Do you own various digital assets which you want to hold for the long term? Are you looking to earn competitive interest rates through a safe and secure platform? Meet CRED-Earn, the premier earning solution from CRED. CRED-Earn is different from other products out there because it offers the highest yield. With comprehensive insurance through custodial partners BitGo, Zapo, and Bitrex. With CRED-Earn, you get to connect with a team of former PayPal executives using blockchain to change the world of financial services and who have secured over $300 million of lending capital. Why let your crypto just sit in a wallet? It can be working for you. How does CRED-Earn work? Lend CRED your digital assets like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, stablecoins, and even dollars and euro. CRED then lends to a variety of customer segments, like high-quality corporations and money managers with well-established track records, on a fully collateralized and guaranteed basis. Oh, and CRED never lends to short sellers. Every 3 months, your interest is paid in dollars or stablecoin, and after 6 months, your original assets are returned to your wallet. You benefit from the full price appreciation of your holdings and get the chance to auto-renew for additional 3-month periods. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning now.
So, as you can see, they are insured, which is nice. I didn't like the statement in there about that they don't lend to short sellers, like they needed to even say that. Again, I'm not trying to say this is a bad thing. I'm sure with them being insured, with them being compliant, you can use the service, which I'm not promoting, but you can use the service and get the terms that they provide. But what I am saying is that I don't believe this is truly part of DeFi, and something to take into account if you are looking to get more involved in DeFi and they're trying to make themselves sound like they're DeFi. But in general, I think it could be a good platform if you want to make some interest on crypto. Again, I'm not promoting it, but I did want to kind of just go over it with you guys. Yeah, if you have any questions about it, let me know. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a good day. Thanks.